Okay, lesson 3 of algebraic fractions. This deals with algebraic division. And these particular algebraic fractions are top-heavy, are vulgar fractions. So here's a numeric example, 12 over 7. Before I'm going to write this as two separate fractions added together, I'm going to work out what the whole number part of it. So how many 7s in 12? There's obviously one whole. And 5/7 remaining. So first we have to work out for our algebraic fractions, what's this thing here? And then when I have my remainder, I can write that in partial fractions if I wish. So the example we're going to look at is example 11 from the textbook on page 14. So we know, or we're told, that x cubed plus x squared minus 7 over x minus 3 can be written as something x squared plus something x plus c, and then my remainder d over x minus 3. So this bit here is equivalent to that, and this bit is equivalent to that. That's how many times this thing goes into our numerator, and that's what's left over. Now, before we start, it's important to know when we need to do this. If you look at our algebraic fraction, the numerator is of degree 3, you've got x cubed on it. The denominator is just linear, x to the power 1. This has a higher degree than this, so therefore it's top heavy. If the numerator and the denominator are of the same degree, the same order, so they both have, let's say, x squared or x cubed in it as the highest order, then you still need to do this algebraic division to work out what this bit is. So anyway, cracking on with this, we're going to divide that into that. How many times does x minus 3 go into this thing? And that'll tell us what this number is. So let's do it. X minus 3 into x cubed plus x squared minus 7. How many x's in x cubed? There are x squared of them. Multiply x squared by these two. I'll get x cubed minus 3x squared. I take them away. That gives me nothing. X squared, take away minus 3x squared is 4x squared. I have no x's up here, so I'm going to put plus 0x here. Right, how many x is going to 4x squared? There are 4x of them. 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times minus 3 is minus 12x. 4x squared take 4x squared is nothing. 0x take away minus 12x is 12x. Drop my minus 7. How many x is going to 12x? There are 12 of them. 12 times x is 12x. 12 times minus 3 is minus 36. 12x take 12x is nothing. Minus 7 take minus 36 is 29. So I know my fraction here can be written as x squared plus 4x plus 12 plus 29 over x minus 3. And now I can equate what a, b and c are. So x squared is 1x squared, so a is 1. b is 4 and c is 12.